Switzerland. The country with a tradition of being a little more precise than others. It's therefore renowned for its precision work worldwide. The Wieler AG has developed, produced and sold products in the area of inclination measurement for decades. Wieler's product range includes high-precision spirit levels, electronic inclination measuring instruments and sensors, and the necessary software for them. In addition to the continuous development of our technology, the use of best-in-class materials and traditional craftsmanship play an important role for Wieler inclination measuring instruments. Thorough, long-term quality tests under real-life conditions are part of a fixed quality control routine before our products are shipped to our customers. The three pillars of Wieler's mission, service, quality, and innovation, are reflected in every one of our products. Our demands for straightness, squareness, inclination, parallelism, and flatness are growing constantly. To set new standards in this regard and to continuously improve convenience for the user, we integrate all of our knowledge and expertise into all of our products. Wherever this is possible, we provide for an optimal transfer of information and knowledge through continuous training and through our selected distribution partners worldwide. These tailor-made solutions help our customers to work more precisely and efficiently, and at the same time, they improve the reliability of the production process. These are our competencies, today and in the future. Wieler inclination measurement, precise since 1928.